Welcome to TrackOurTeam.com's video training sessions. In this session, we will be learning how to add classes to our master tables. The first thing you do is log into the system. Type in your username, which was assigned to you by TrackOurTeam, and touch the Tab key. The cursor will now be located in the password field. Type in your password and touch the Tab key. The cursor will now be located in the company ID field. You do not need to change this field because the system automatically knows your company ID, which is related to your team member. Click OK. You will now see a list of the various modules within TrackOurTeam. Click on the Master Table folder. You will now see a list of the various master tables in TrackOurTeam. Your screen may look slightly different. Locate the Classes icon and click on it one time. You now see the Classes screen. So if your team is associated with a school who utilizes the eligibility portion of TrackOurTeam, you will need to be entering classes. You will notice several buttons at the top of the screen, including Add, Change, Inquiry, a left arrow for previous record, a right arrow for next record. If you want to see if there are any classes in the system, you can simply click on the magnifying glass to the right of the class name. In this system, there are no classes. So we will click Cancel. We'll now switch to Add mode. And the system notices that we were in a required field at the time we were in change mode, so it displays a message saying that the class name was required. Do you wish to continue or proceed? We'll click Continue. The system now is in Add mode and has automatically assigned class number 1, and we can type in the class name. So I'll type in English and touch the Tab key. The cursor is now in the grade field. So type in the grade that this English class is associated with and touch the Tab key. You're now located in the elective groups, and this particular class could be in one of 3 different groups, depending on whether or not your school determines if this English class is an elective class. In this case, I'm going to say yes, it is, by touching the Y key and hitting Tab. And the system displays the message saying the lowercase y is an invalid character. So I'll click on the field again and put a capital Y and touch the Tab key. So these 3 fields, like either a capital Y or capital N, indicating yes or no. I then click on Save to save the class. And the system is now ready for a second class to be added. I'm only going to add this one class, and now I'm finished with the record. If I want to go see what is in the file, I click on Change or Inquiry, either one, and I can click on the magnifying glass, and I can now see that this English class has been entered. I will click Cancel, and I'm ready to leave the system, so I will close the door or exit the program. The system now is returned back to the list of master tables. At this point, you can go do anything else you need to do within the system. I am finished using the system, so I will close the door and exit. This concludes how to enter classes into TrackOurTeam. We appreciate you using TrackOurTeam, and if you have any questions or comments, please let us know by going to the contact page on the website.